How is it that Meta is one of the more awesome big tech companies right now? Because the Zuck himself has just announced something huge in a video that just screams, how do you do, fellow kids? He's literally even holding the lapel mic. Oh my word. Okay, anyway. In this absolutely huge industry-changing announcement made in a vertical aspect ratio, he announces that Meta Horizon OS, the operating system that powers the Quest family of VR headsets, is becoming fully open, meaning that other hardware makers will be able to make their headsets use the exact same Meta software. Yeah, that's a big deal. That means that we could see some huge competition in the VR space with new headsets coming on the market using the already existing great software, not to mention the huge library of apps and other features already present on the Quest lineup. And what's probably the greatest thing about this announcement is the name dropping that Zuckerberg did, with headsets coming from players like ASUS ROG, but probably the most interestingly of all, Xbox themselves. We've all been hoping for a competitor to the PSVR, and it's actually finally happening. And it's thanks to Facebook of all people. And as Mark explained in the video, this should give rise to a huge ecosystem of intercompatible VR and AR products that may specialize or focus on different things. And of course at different price points, making VR even more accessible, though it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One of the biggest issues I personally see in this is the fact that when a developer makes something for the Quest, well, they know what to expect. I mean, Meta is already doing a subpar job of communicating exactly what's compatible with the Quest 2, Quest 3 and Quest Pro, and now imagine this problem scaled by several magnitudes. And what happens, for example, when a game is designed to use a certain type of motion tracking or individual finger tracking or some kind of special haptics that may be available on one headset or another. How on earth are they going to communicate that to the user? And even the Pope of VR, John Carmack himself, is a tiny bit skeptical on the whole matter as well. Not to mention the fact that Google and Samsung are teaming up to bring their own OS to the VR race. But still, despite all of that, it is finally that kind of shock of excitement that VR so desperately needed. So what do you want to see out of all of this? What do you think is going to happen? Let me know down in the comments below, because the possibilities right now are truly endless, and the possibilities will also be truly endless for this channel if you support it on Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Elavronyak, Dev Panda, Naska with Kane, Bardosh Velka, Patrick Harrison, not a pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.